Do smart thermostats really save you money? With energy bills rising, it's a question on many homeowners' minds. In this video, we'll answer the question for you and stick around until the end for a vital tip that will help you maximize your savings. Let's break down some of the features of smart thermostats. First, presence detection. Smart thermostats are equipped with a sensor that detects when people are home. They adjust the temperature automatically to ensure you're comfortable when you're there and save energy when you're not. The next feature is remote adjustments. You can control your smart thermostat from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Forgot to turn down the heat before leaving for work? No problem, just grab your phone and adjust it remotely. The third feature is energy usage reports. Smart thermostats provide detailed reports on when and where you're using the most energy. After viewing those reports, you can optimize your settings. So, by now, I'm sure you've realized that smart thermostats really can save you money. And now, for that important tip I teased earlier. The key to maximizing your savings with a smart thermostat is proper installation and setup. Many homeowners overlook this, but ensuring your thermostat is installed correctly and programmed for your lifestyle is crucial. Look out for more info on that in another video on our channel. If you found this information helpful, please click the like button, subscribe for more useful tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. This video was brought to you by Pure Plumbing and Air in Las Vegas. If you need help with any plumbing, heating, or cooling anywhere in Las Vegas or Henderson, Nevada, give us a call at 702-534-1910. And remember, when you've got to be sure, call Pure. If you like this video, then you'll find this one helpful too.